In this video, we listed the 5 best TIG welding machine on Aliexpress that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. HITBOX TIG Welding Machine. The HBT 2000P is a chemical product originating from mainland China and does not fall under the category of smart devices. It is certified by CE, indicating that it meets safety and environmental standards required for products in the market. The specifications highlight that there are no high concerned chemicals associated with this product, promoting its safe use. Further details and insights into the product can be obtained through the provided report item feature, ensuring potential users have access to comprehensive information. Number 2. HITBOX HBT 250P Machine. The HITBOX HBT 250P AC DC aluminum TIG welding machine is a versatile and advanced welding tool designed for both professional and DIY use. Featuring cutting-edge inverter technology, this machine provides a powerful and stable arc, making it suitable for welding a variety of materials, including stainless steel, carbon steel, copper, and aluminum. It supports multiple welding processes, including TIG and MMA, ARC, with adjustable parameters such as pulse frequency and duty cycle for enhanced control over the welding process. The machine operates on a rated input voltage of AC 110V, 220V and boasts a rated output current of up to 200A for TIG and 180A for MMA, ARC, with an efficiency rating of 85%. Additionally, the HBT 250P includes essential accessories such as a TIG torch, electrode holder, earth clamp, and tungsten electrodes, making it a comprehensive solution for welding needs. Its compact design, with a protection class of IP21S, ensures durability and reliability in various working conditions. Number 3. HZXVOGEN 200A Machine. The HZXVOGEN HBT 2000P cold TIG welding machine is a versatile and efficient welding tool designed for precision applications, featuring advanced inverter technology, IGBT, and a maximum output of 200A. Originating from mainland China, this non-smart device operates on a 220V input and offers a no-load voltage of DC 62. It supports various welding processes, including DC TIG and ARC, with an adjustable arc force current range of 10-200A and a duty cycle of 90%. Notable features include a pulse function for welding ultra-thin materials without deformation, a quick plug to prevent overheating, and a digital welding torch for remote control of current and gas. The machine automatically enters standby mode after 3 minutes of inactivity to conserve energy. The package includes essential accessories such as a digital welding torch, earth clamp, electrode holder, gas tube, and tungsten needle. For users requiring dual voltage, 110V, 220V, it is advised to specify this upon ordering. Number 4. ARCCAPTAIN Machine. The HZXVOGEN HBT 2000P cold TIG welding machine is a versatile and advanced welding tool designed for precision applications, featuring a maximum output of 200A and multiple welding functions, including TIG cold welding, ARC MMA welding, and TIG pulse welding. It operates on 220V input voltage, utilizing IGBT inverter technology for efficient performance with an 80% efficiency rating and a 90% duty cycle. The machine supports a wide range of welding processes with adjustable parameters such as arc force and ignition current, pulse frequency, and welding times, making it suitable for various materials like carbon stainless and low-alloy steel. Additional features include a quick plug to prevent overheating, the ability to weld ultra-thin plates without deformation, and a digital welding torch for improved control and efficiency. The HBT 2000P also conserves energy by automatically entering standby mode after 3 minutes of inactivity. The package includes essential accessories such as a digital welding torch, earth clamp, electrode holder, gas tube, an optional helmet, making it a comprehensive solution for both professional and hobbyist welders. Number 5. AIXZ AIT 200P Machine. The HITBOX AIT200P AC/DC is a versatile welding machine designed for both TIG and ARC welding processes, suitable for a variety of materials including stainless steel, carbon steel, and aluminum. Operating on a rated input voltage of AC 220V with a power rating of 5.8 kVA, it delivers a TIG output current range of 10-200A and an MMA, ARC output current range of 20-120A, making it effective for diverse welding applications. This machine boasts advanced inverter technology, ensuring a stable and concentrated arc with quick response times for enhanced usability. It features adjustable parameters such as arc initiation current, welding current, and pulse frequency, allowing for precise control over the welding process. With a rated duty cycle of 60% and an efficiency of 85%, the HITBOX AIT200P AC/DC is designed for durability and performance, meeting CE certification standards and classified under Protection Class IP21S. Its compact dimensions of 480mm x 270mm x 365mm facilitate easy handling and storage, making it a practical choice for both professional and hobbyist welders.